Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Yes, VVS finance community dominate Tectonic token trade today. About 80% of all Tectonic token is being held and traded on VVS finance, and it's amazing to see this coin continue to trade more on VVS finance since the past 6 months. I believe the community has been buying. There's been a lot of buying on VVS finance. That's why you can see the market cap has been increasing. Imagine this coin is being hosted by crypto.com, and you can see VVS finance has been dominated more, controlling about 80% of Tectonic token coins being traded in a single day. It's amazing to see Tectonic token trading more on the different crypto exchanger, and I believe by the time we'll be seeing other top exchangers coming in, Tectonic token is going to really hit a massive level. We want to see Ethereum whales, we want to see other whales coming in to support this coin. I believe if whales can really come in to buy more of Tectonic token, remember whales buy coins in millions of dollars. This coin is definitely going to increase. Now it still trade with about 6 zeros at the time of recording this. Tectonic token just dropped 1 zero few days ago, because this coin was actually trading with about 7 zeros. But with the rise to the pump, we saw Tectonic token now drop 1 zero. I believe before the end of this year, Tectonic token is still going to delete about 1 or 2 zeros before the end of 2023. Now let's hope to see many other crypto exchangers come and partner with this coin. I want to see the burning of Tectonic token really increase. I want to see other top exchangers supporting this coin. And I believe that with the way Bitcoin, BTC, the king of all crypto coins, has been increasing. Now BTC is trading about $20,000 and close to $21,000 for the first time in the past 6 or 7 months. It's amazing to see Bitcoin is now bouncing back, and I believe other crypto coins will also start increasing in price. But please remember, in case you want to buy or want to invest in any crypto coin, invest what you can afford to lose. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.